Hello friends, have you ever wondered why the moon sometimes turns a deep, mesmerizing red during a lunar eclipse? Today, we are going to explore the wonder of lunar eclipses and get to know more about the upcoming partial lunar eclipse on Saturday, October 28, 2023. So, stay tuned. First, let's understand what a lunar eclipse is. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth aligns directly between the Sun and the Moon, blocking some or all of the Sun's direct light from reaching the Moon. But here is the interesting part. The lunar eclipses only happens during a full moon, which occurs roughly once every 29.5 days. That's the length of one full orbit of the Moon around the Earth. Now, you might wonder, if we have a full moon every month, why don't we get an eclipse every month? Well, the Moon's orbit is tilted a few degrees in a relation to Earth's orbit, which means the Earth, Moon and the Sun don't always align perfectly. In fact, most of the time, the Moon's path goes above or below Earth's shadow, which makes the eclipses somewhat rare events. However, about twice a year, the Moon's orbit lines up just right and it passes through Earth's shadow, creating a lunar eclipse. During a lunar eclipse, Earth projects two types of shadow on the Moon. One is the broader shadow known as the penumbra, and the other is a smaller, darker shadow known as umbra. Now, there are three main types of lunar eclipses. The first is a total lunar eclipse. This occurs when the Sun, Moon and Earth align perfectly, and the Moon falls within the Earth's umbral shadow. The total lunar eclipses are the most impressive because they make the Moon look red like a sunset. The mesmerizing red color happens because the Earth's atmosphere scattered the shorter blue wavelengths of light outward and bends longer red wavelengths inward towards the Moon. The brightness of the Moon's red glow depends on the factors like dust and the clouds in the Earth's atmosphere. The second type is a partial lunar eclipse. This happens when the Earth, Moon and Sun don't line up perfectly. So, only part of the Moon passes into Earth's umbra. This makes the side of the Moon facing Earth look very dark. The last type is a penumbral lunar eclipse, which is a quite subtle. During a penumbral lunar eclipse, the Moon passes through the Earth's faint penumbral shadow. To most people, it just seems a bit dimmer than normal. What's unique about lunar eclipses is that, unlike solar eclipses, it's safe to look at the Moon with the naked eyes during a lunar eclipse. It's only because of how far the Sun and Moon are from the Earth that can we witness total lunar eclipses. However, over billions of years, the Moon will slowly move farther away from the Earth, making it impossible for it to fall completely within the Earth's umbral shadow. But until that happens, we can occasionally enjoy seeing our planet's shadow covering the largest object in the night sky. Now, let's talk about the upcoming partial lunar eclipse on October 28, 2023. It's going to be partial lunar eclipse and it's the last lunar eclipse of the year. This eclipse will be visible in various parts of the world, including Europe, Africa, Asia and Australia. People in North America, North or East South America, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian Oceans, Antarctica will also get to see it. To find the exact timing of the eclipse in your location, you can visit the website like timeanddate.com. Just search for Partial Lunar Eclipse 2023 and type in your city to get precise details. Lunar eclipses are one of the easiest sky watching events to enjoy. You don't need any special equipment. Just go outside, look up, and enjoy this incredible celestial display. So, remember to mark your calendar for October 28th and enjoy the wonder of partial lunar eclipse. It's a celestial event that connects us to the mysteries of the universe. So, there you have it, the science and the wonder of lunar eclipses explained in simple terms. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.